King got the hammer in the king got the hammer got the hammer in the ring king got the hammer I ain't got the chain dicks put it in my punches to pop.
Hey sexy Lexy babes, and welcome back to another video. So it is about that season, about that time. Spooky season is approaching us, and I want to show you guys how to make a pumpkin spice lip gloss. So I'm going to go ahead and weigh my gloss base on the scale, and I'm going to end up getting 7.2 ounces of gloss base. Jump right into it, and I'm going to add this delicious smelling pumpkin spice flavoring oil to my gloss base. Now, I don't know about y'all, but I am super excited about Halloween and these glosses that I'm about to drop for y'all. So make sure you stay tuned. Make sure you checking out my website and shopping with me, okay? Period. Also, make sure that you're following me on Instagram because you want to be able to see the dates that I'm dropping my Halloween collection and everything like that. So yes, make sure you follow my Instagram at _sexylexyinc. The link is in the description below. Next, I'm going to go ahead and add the TKB lip liquid in the color Orange 5, and we're going to go ahead and add that to our gloss base. So now I want to show you guys this hand mixer that I got from TKB Trading. When I purchased it, I was thinking that it was going to be able to mix my gloss base with, when I create the glosses, but it's only for oils, and I'm going to show you guys how it works. Basically showing you that it's not powerful enough to speed through gloss bases, only for oils and pigments and stuff like that, which somebody told me when I was on TikTok live. So if you want to use a hand mixer, I guess you need to use the cake batter ones. So for now, I'm going to continue using my spoon, and we're going to go ahead and give this gloss base a nice mix. So lastly, I'm going to add this TKB Shimmer Tangerine Pop pigment powder that I got from TKB Trading, obviously, and it is so beautiful. It definitely gives this gloss exactly what I needed and what I was looking for. This mica powder gives the gloss base a nice shimmer color that I love so much, and it really gives me the spice to the pumpkin, exactly what I was looking for. So now I'm going to take my 20 milliliter syringe and start to fill these tubes. see how beautiful this color truly is in the wand tube since it's clear, but you can see it has like a nice gold shimmer tint to the orange, and it's so perfect for Halloween. So I really love this gloss, and I know you guys will too. So here are our pumpkin spice glosses up and close. This is how the outcome was once I was finished filling all of the squeeze and wand tubes. Let me know what you think in the comments. And of course, now I'm going to show you guys some lip swatches and arm swatches of this gloss color. Once I was finished adding the stoppers and the tops to all of the wand and squeeze tubes, I am now going to go ahead and give the glosses a gloss bath. Gloss baths just contain soap and water, and they help provide extra sanitization to your glosses and help prevent sticky tubes. guys so much for watching today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys are looking forward to the holidays just as much as I am, and I will see you in my next video.
King got the hammer in the king 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 got the hammer king 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 got the hammer in the ring.